A consumer loan is a type of loan that is specifically designed for personal, family, or household purposes. This type of loan can be used to finance a variety of expenses, such as a home renovation project, the purchase of a new car, or even a family vacation. Consumer loans are typically unsecured, which means that they are not backed by any collateral and are based solely on the borrower's creditworthiness and ability to repay the loan. There are several reasons why it may be wise to avoid taking out a consumer loan. First, consumer loans typically have higher interest rates than other types of loans, such as mortgages or auto loans. This means that the total cost of the loan will be much higher over time, which can result in significant financial stress for the borrower. Second, consumer loans often have shorter repayment terms, which means that the borrower will have to make larger monthly payments to repay the loan in a shorter amount of time. This can put a strain on the borrower's budget, especially if they are already struggling to make ends meet. Finally, consumer loans can also be a source of temptation for borrowers who are not disciplined with their spending. Borrowing money to finance purchases that are not essential can lead to a cycle of debt, where the borrower takes out one loan to pay off another, leading to a never-ending spiral of debt. In terms of who benefits from consumer loans, the primary beneficiaries are the lending institutions that provide the loans. These institutions make a profit by charging interest on the loans they provide, and they also take on the risk of lending money to individuals who may not be able to repay the loans. In conclusion, while consumer loans may seem like an attractive option in the short term, they can have serious long-term consequences for the borrower. If you are considering taking out a consumer loan, it is important to carefully evaluate your financial situation and consider all of your options before making a decision. If you do decide to take out a consumer loan, be sure to make your payments on time and in full to avoid falling into a cycle of debt.